What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and what you guys are watching right now is a live gold trade playing out on Automated Trader and Trusted Signals. To the left, you guys can see right here. Oh, I just actually shut this. So you guys can see right here, partials have just been taken. Okay, so essentially, what you guys just witnessed in front of your own eyes is the gold chart on TradingView with the Trusted Signals Hunter and Automated Trader is in the background taking trades. You guys can see right here, if I stroll and down on the log, you guys can see partial close. And this is exactly what happens. We have this indicator giving you the alerts and then the actual systems trading for you. And you guys can see right here, the systems that we are talking about has literally generated $1,500 in the last 24 hours, completely hands free. If you guys also want to go ahead and check out the Discord, I also link down below. We have other traders who are using these tools right here. You can see gold chart, and believe it or not, they're in the same trade. I already know. And as you guys can see right here, I'm officially impressed. And we have more traders trading gold than ever before because we have the tools that are doing it fully automated. And if you guys want to go ahead and copy my settings, this video is for the Ask Chris P channel. I also made the same video for the Trusted Signals, and that one also showcases the runner. So make sure you guys visit the Trusted Signals account as well. And we have a bunch of videos. So this is the settings that you guys want to go ahead and change, okay? First and foremost, you guys want to make sure you guys are in live mode. If you guys don't know, Trusted Signals has a bunch of different parameters. The next area that you guys want to change is your risk management. And this is depending on, what you actually want to go ahead and risk. And let's go ahead and watch another trade, another alert fire. As you guys can see right here, we have a TP2 being fired, and we're going to see this play out in real form. You guys can see we have a 0.21 right here. Okay. And let's go ahead and see what happens on this next close. Okay. We have the alert fire in the background. We just got the alert. And as you guys can see, boom, that quick. And I did not actually press anything. This is fully automated. Okay. So back to the settings really quick. You guys can go ahead and copy it. The only thing that I really change, guys, is this, the TP levels. I make it so that the way the risk to reward ratio is 1, and that's it. Okay. On TP3. So that way, if we hit TP3, as you guys already know, we have runners in place. And this thing does everything for you guys. You guys can see it right here in front of your face. And I promise you guys, if you guys get access today, this is the time to join. You guys can use code FINAL50. If you guys choose the lifetime membership, I'm also going to run down and set up everything for you. Plus, on top of that, you guys will be able to go ahead and get Automated Trader for free. If you guys don't know Automated Trader, you guys are going to be able to set up webhooks just like this. And right now, we are available for Windows, Mac, and then we also have new platforms that are releasing this week. So if you guys join the Automated Trader lifetime membership, I also have a huge discount link I'm going to pin down below. You guys are going to be able to go ahead and get multiple platforms. Tradeovate is also being released as well, okay, this week. So if you guys trade futures, you guys are going to be able to use these tools on your charts. Okay, and everything is fully automated. If you guys like what you guys see here, comment down below. These are the best settings right now, and we have more updates coming. And I promise you guys are not going to want to miss what's on this channel. We have the best tools on TradingView, the best automation, automatedtrader.com. And then we have a social network platform that's releasing very soon as well to make everything automated. And guys, hit that like button, hit that sub button. If you guys like these type of videos, you already know what it is. It's your boy Chris P. I'm out. Peace.